Hi, my name is Arun Sundaresan. I head the passives vertical at Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited. Passive vertical means exchange traded funds and index funds. Some of you would be aware about what these funds do. They simply replicate index. We do not take any active calls. We do not decide when to buy a stock, when to sell, etc. There is a particular index. You invest exactly as per that index. We've recently introduced a fund called Nippon India Nifty 500 Momentum 50 Index Fund. I would like to talk to you about this particular fund. As the name itself suggests, the style of investing is basis momentum. Momentum as a concept is very interesting. It's quite different from traditional way of investing. Here, you buy something which is already doing well with the hope that it will go even higher. So you buy something high and with the hope of selling even higher. So that concept has worked very well when you look at the track record of this particular index. For example, when you looked at the last 20 years of data and looked at what average 3-year return looked like, that number was close to about 20%. And just to give you a comparison, Nifty during the same time was roughly around 12.5, mid cap was close to about 15.5, small cap was about 13.5. So very clearly, the strategy over a period of time has not only outperformed Nifty, but even broader indices like mid cap and small cap, and it has done that fairly consistent. So the strategy picks out 50 stocks which have done well basis the last 6 months and 1 year from the universe of Nifty 500, and these 50 stocks change every 6 months basis the recent momentum. So the portfolio tends to be very dynamic. The actual stocks, the sector representations, etc. tend to be very dynamic over a period of time, and so is the market cap. The weightages given to the different parts of the market like large cap, mid cap, small cap, all of that also tends to be very dynamic. So if you are looking at a product which is kind of all-weather, which can work very dynamically for you with potentially higher return over a period of time, you could look at this particular product. For those of you who have a long-term perspective like 3 or 4, 5 years, you can look at making lump sum investment. Others, you could consider making systematic SIP investments as well. So you can look to invest into this fund through the Dhan app or through the Nippon India website and other mobile applications that we have. Thank you very much.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.